Welcome Dreams Bikes Hubs. The BMW 5 Series is a renowned mid-size luxury sedan that has been a part of BMW's model lineup since its debut in 1972. It is known for its performance, luxury, technology, and refinement. Over the years, it has evolved to meet the ever-changing demands. The BMW 5 Series made its first appearance in 1972, representing the company's entry into the mid-size luxury sedan market. The series was initially launched as a replacement for the BMW New Class sedans and was designed to offer a combination of sporty performance and elegant design that would define the model for generations to come. The first generation of the BMW 5 Series, known as the E12, was launched in 1972 and remained in production until 1981. The E12 was offered as a sedan with a variety of engine options, ranging from the base 4-cylinder engines to more powerful 6-cylinder models. The second generation, the E28, arrived in 1982 and featured a more refined design with improved handling and safety features. This generation saw the introduction of the first BMW 5 Series with a turbocharged engine, the M535i, which offered enhanced performance, ABS, which were groundbreaking for the time. The third generation of the 5 Series, the E34, was launched in 1989. This model represented a more sophisticated approach to the luxury sedan segment, with a focus on comfort, ride quality, and advanced features. The E34 offered a more spacious interior and a wider range of engine choices, including the iconic BMW M5, which featured a high-performance engine and sporty suspension. The E39 generation, produced from 1997 to 2003, is often regarded as one of the best 5 Series models ever made. It marked a significant leap in technology and design, featuring a more streamlined exterior, a more refined interior. The fifth generation E65 series, launched in 2004, represented a bold departure from the traditional design language of previous generations. The E60 featured more angular and aggressive styling, which divided opinions among enthusiasts and critics. Despite the controversy over its design, one of the most exhilarating sedans of its time. The F10 generation, which was produced from 2011 to 2017, returned to a more traditional design approach with a focus on elegance and refinement. This generation featured a more modern, tech-focused interior, as well as improved driving dynamics and fuel efficiency, engine that provided exceptional performance. The G30, the 7th generation BMW 5 Series, was introduced in 2017 and is the current generation of the model. It features a more streamlined and modern design, with an emphasis on luxury. One of the key selling points of the BMW 5 Series is its performance. The 5 Series has always been engineered to offer an engaging driving experience. The BMW 5 Series is known for its cutting-edge technology, particularly in terms of its infotainment and driver assistance features. The eDrive system has evolved over the years to become one of the most user-friendly and advanced infotainment systems on the market. The latest models also offer. The BMW 5 Series offers a luxurious and comfortable cabin that is designed with high-quality materials and attention to detail. The seats are typically upholstered in premium. Safety is a key priority in the BMW 5 Series, with the car offering a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking. Over the years, the BMW 5 Series has undergone multiple redesigns and facelifts, with each iteration incorporating new technology, improved performance, and enhanced luxury features. About his car, more information and 20 top country price of this car already give in description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press Billiken and watching me.